Hi, I'm Ryan Crosby. I'm going to show you today how to make a back cover pattern, a custom back pattern for the upholstery. There's two different scenarios I'm going to discuss. One is you just have a back support that's being used well and it's been over 3 years and the back cover is just worn out. We need to get you a new one. We save our patterns for 3 years, and after that we need you to make us a pattern. So this is in that scenario. Let's just remove the old tattered cover and turn it inside out. We usually mark which lateral is left and which lateral is right on the back of the cover. This one has an R on this side, has an L on the opposite side. So just keep that in mind. We're going to lay this down onto our paper. Let me just move this out of the way. And all you have to do is trace out the cover, the existing one. Make sure there's no wrinkles or any pucker in there or anything, but trace out this cover. And when you're done, we need you to mark the cover mark the paper with the client's name. We also want you to put an arrow facing up, write their name in here, and also mark which side is left and which side is right. And make sure that you get that correct, otherwise we won't, if we make you a new cover, it'll be backwards. So this is what you need to do for just a replacement cover. And give us a call, get an RA number so we can send this back and know what to do with it once it comes in. I'm going to just set that off to the side. And the other scenario is you've modified the back. You've modified your back and you want to make so much that maybe normally I'd like to lay the old cover right into the back shell and then just trace what you've cut around the sides. And then that becomes your seam, and all you have to do is sew along the cover and cut off the excess. But this is if you need to make a pattern. Let's say your back your cover is so tattered you can't trace it out very reliably. You can use butcher block paper, wrapping paper again, and just lay it into your contours. You want to make sure it stays put. I might put a little piece of tape on one side so it doesn't slide around on me. Okay, and now I'm just going to hold it against the contours and trace around the perimeter with a magic marker. It's the same thing with this pattern. Once you're done, we'd like to know the client's name, which way is up and which is right and left. I'm just kind of making not complete lines in here. Some are, but I might have to just connect my dots once I'm done with this. Okay. Now I've got this, I'm just going to connect the gaps that I have. Put the arrow up, client name, which side is the right and left. And there's your pattern using that method. Also, if you're going to send us anything here at Ride, we want you to get an RA number first. Give us a call at customer service and we'll get you that number to send that back into us. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, give us a call here at Ride Designs. Otherwise, thank you. Have a great day.